Year 11 students, if you have no idea how to answer your 6-marker questions, then this is for you. I'm Patricia, I've been a tutor for 6 years, and my students get 9s, with one of them even going from a 3 to a 9 in just 2 weeks. We're going to use this question as an example here. This is from 2021 AQA paper. Now, first things first, you want to read the question and you want to read it twice. Then you want to identify what is being asked, what context is given, and are there any diagrams or data. Whenever there's like a diagram, you need to be happy. I want you to be happy because this means that the answer is in the diagram itself. Take a screenshot of this. This is from my exam structure booklet. If you are joining our past paper sessions where we're going to go over weekly past papers every single week for sciences and maths, you will receive this structure booklet. This tells you the steps you need to take in order to answer a 6-mark question. After doing all of that, you want to write down on the side what topic do you think it is. I can see it's graphite, it's talking about electrical conductivity. It's going to be the topic of bonding. Then list down the command words you can see and the keywords. Command words are things like explain, describe, those kind of things. So in this case, it's going to be explain, which means you want to make sure that you link it back to the question itself, aka the diagram. There's quite a lot of keywords here. They said electrical, they said soft and slippery, but the main thing that they said is structure and bonding. So that's what we're going to write over here. Now we can write down every single information that we know about this graphite here, or just bonding and structure in general. I know that graphite is one of the only ones that have a giant covalent structure, and they also have layers. Talk about what you can see over here. I can see that they have layers. And why is this relevant? Use your knowledge. The layers can slide. Why can the layers slide? Because they have weak intermolecular force. That's the bonding side. And why is that important? Because they are held by your delocalized electrons. And that also links to your electrical. So all of that together, it will give you your 6-mark answer here. And there you have your 6-mark answer. If you read this answer here, you can take a screenshot of this. Basically, what I'm doing is just putting up my information. But aside from that, I'm just literally saying what they said already. Like, notice over here, I said it's a good electrical conductor because of delocalized electrons that can move and carry charge. The layers are held by weak intermolecular forces that are easy to break. Hence, the layers can slide, making graphite soft and slippery. You can see here exactly how I'm applying my command words because I specifically said the words again. I said making graphite soft and slippery. I didn't just end it over here like most students would, because that means you're not linking it back to the question. The keyword explain must mean that you are required to link the answer back to the question itself. Do that and you will get quality marks and all of the 6 marks. Don't forget, we are running our weekly past paper sessions. Have a look at the link in my bio.